Hi, this video is going to show you how to create sink on a double layer countertop. Please follow closely on the steps I'm about to show you to avoid problem like this in future where the tabletop doesn't open hole for the sink. So let's get started. I will remove all the countertop and sink now, and also the skirting, because the cabinet seems not aligned now, and we are going to align the cabinet later. We can align by checking the distance of both cabinets. So it's 1070. If it's still not aligned, we can control select the base cabinet first, which is the cabinet that is not moving, and then the cabinet you want to move, and then you right click align, and then you choose the direction you want to align. Now let's check. It seems aligned now, although the number is different. This might be due to some error in this file, but it's not so important now. Let's create the countertop to check now. As you can see, there's only one red line on the whole countertop, means they are now aligned perfectly. In order to create sink on the double layer countertop, we will need two sets of cabinet. So now I will Ctrl V to copy the first cabinet. And then I press H to hide it. Then the copied one, I move it here and change the height to 709, which is the height of the second layer countertop. Repeat the same steps on the second cabinet. Ctrl V to copy and then hide it and move the copied one back to the same location. And then change the size. Now we're gonna create the top layer of countertop first. Control select both cabinet. Then generate the countertop here. To adjust the countertop, right-click countertop editing. Click the line and then you move accordingly. Then generate. Alright, next we're gonna create sink on this top. So you click on the cabinet, right click, hardware, sink installation. To move the sink, you can just click it and input the number here. Let's say I move 200 to the left. Okay, now we have done the first layer. We'll continue the second layer now. I will hide this sink cabinet now. Press Shift to select the whole cabinet instead of the door. For the first cabinet, you can just delete, you don't need to hide anymore. Then I will show back the previous original cabinets we hide at the beginning. So both of these are 609 cabinet. Now Control to select both cabinets and create the countertop again. So this one is 100 mm. Here you go. Now we will insert the sink again on this countertop. And don't forget to move 200 to the left also. Okay, now we have holes on both the countertop now. And we also need to move the sink up a bit to fit in the top layer. Once you have the second sink done, you can delete the hidden cabinet already. The one which is 709, you can delete now. As for the final step, you can just use Format Painter to copy paste the same material. So this is how to create sink on double layer countertop. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trying. Bye.